Hello, Mingalaba. Welcome to Love Myanmar. My name's Harriet. Jamaname Harriet ba. Join me as we check out 12 Myanmar verbs to talk about feelings and emotions. Say the words aloud as you listen to help activate another layer of your memory. Great, let's go. To love. Chitte. 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 To be scared. Jaute. 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 For example, if you want to say that you're scared of dogs, you can say Kwe go jaute. Kwe is the word for dog and go is the object marker. Can you say that? Kwe go jaute. Kwe go jaute. Well done. So how would you say I'm scared of rats? The word for rat is juek. Juek go jaute. You've got it. Good. To be excited. Say lo shade. Say lo shade. You'll notice this word say pop up a lot in words to do with emotions and feelings in Myanmar because it's the word for our figurative heart or mind. For example, in this case, klo sha means to move around tumultuously, to be all stirred up. So to be excited is when your heart is feeling all shook up. Cool, eh? Can you say that word again? Se klo shade. Se klo shade. Great. To be interested. Se wenzade. There's that se again. Se wenzade. Se wenzade. To be amazed. An ore. An ore. An ore. To be disappointed. Se piete. Se piete. Piet means to break, so se piete literally means your heart is broken, like these poor lads watching their sports team be demolished. Can you say it once more? Se piete. Nice. To laugh. Yide. 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 To be upset or distressed. Se niete. Se niete. This is a funny one. Niet means dirty. So to say upset, we say our heart is dirty. Our heart feels dirty. Se niete. To be glad. Wandare. 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 And yes, you probably recognize this word from the phrase, it's nice to meet you. Toyara wandabare. I'm glad to meet you. To be anxious. So yende. So yende. So yende. To be sad. Wanere. 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 To be happy. Piore. 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 Fantastic. Well done. 12 words under your belt to help you express all those emotions. Shall we have a quick quiz? How are you feeling if you are wandare? Anxious, glad, sad, or excited? Glad, right. How is someone feeling if they are se niete, when their heart is dirty? Are they upset, anxious, disappointed, or scared? Yep, a dirty heart is an upset heart. I think we'd all feel pretty upset if our heart was dirty. If your friend told you that they were jaute, how are they feeling? excited, happy, interested, or scared. Jaute is scared, correct. What does sepyete mean? When your heart is broken, are you anxious, disappointed, sad, or amazed? Sepyete, to be disappointed. And finally, and perhaps most importantly, what is chite? Is it to be glad, to be excited, to be happy, or to love? Chite, to love. That's right. How lovely. Excellent. Well done. You did it. Give yourself a pat on the back and review this vocabulary regularly until it's easy peasy. In the next video, we'll learn how to use these verbs to form adjectives. For example, to say something is very disappointing, or really interesting, or rather lovable. Thanks for watching. Nau ma doi me. See you next time.